Hello, are you okay? You look terrible.
I'm fine. Don't worry.
You lie. You can really stand up.
Okay, you're right.
Oh, what you mean if I make appointment see the doctor for you?
Thanks a lot. But I think I can do it.
Okay. Good morning. Welcome to Cyber Linux.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, good morning. Can I help you, sir?
I would like to make an appointment for X-ray.
Oh, what happened?
I rushed yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see. How about this morning?
Oh, that's okay. What time can I go to the clinic?
8 o'clock?
Um, that's perfect time for me.
Okay. Excuse me. Could you tell me your name?
My name is Phú, BHU.
Okay. Let me confirm your information. You booked the appointment for X-ray at 8 a.m. next morning?
Oh, yes, it's right. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, thanks for fitting me in.
You're welcome. What's the matter with you?
I think my back is broken. It's extremely hurting.
I'm sorry to hear that. Come with me. I will check the X-ray for you. It's too bad. You need a long time for consultation medical.
Okay, thanks a million.
You're welcome.
Yêu anh với tất cả đi dừng lại. Baby talk to me.
Bồ Tát